Okay, we're at the end of our 30-minute purge cycle. Let's go over and look at the gases. We currently have entrance current, entrance curtain, exit curtain, case purge, and the cover gas purge. And we're waiting for it to time out and turn on the process gases. Okay, there it is. Now you have the hydrogen cover gas and the nitrogen cover gas. And now we want to look at the failure modes to make sure they're working. So we come back over here, and one of the failures, it shuts itself off if you get a heat failure. You can clear it. Then we have the burn-off failures. And we'll fail this burn-off number 1. And we'll reset that. Now we'll fail burn-off number 2. Put it apart. And go.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll reset that. And then we want to deal with our gas failures. And first thing we have is a nitrogen failure. And we'll show it on the other screen.
It's here.
And then we'll add to that the hydrogen failure. So now we have both gases fail, both the hydrogen and nitrogen, and we're back in our purge cycle. So, and it will not reset. Go ahead, try it until we put our gases back on. Gases back, so it should clear. And then we can clear this. We can clear this, and then we can go back and start our purge again.